Here are 7 makeup tricks that all makeup artists and yourself should use.
This first makeup trick is actually really, really helpful. For example, Nora sometimes likes to have her foundation be a little bit medium or on the heavier side, depending on an occasion. I like mine on the light to medium side. So if you do like your foundation on the lighter side, the best way to do it is to apply it with your fingertips. The warmth of your fingertips is going to help that foundation really kind of get absorbed into your skin and melt into your skin, and it's going to give you a really light, flawless look. If you like your foundation a little bit on the medium side, use a brush. There's a few different types of foundation brushes you can use. We really love these like angled wide ones. We feel like, you know, it really helps get it into your skin and it looks really, really good. If you want it on the medium to heavier side, you can use a beauty blender to really help get it into your skin and give you an overall more like glam, full face look.
Yeah. If you have an event to go to and you're mom life and tired, here's a tip to make yourself look like you're wide-eyed and well rested. Apply pink metallic blushy colors. Make sure they're metallic at the center of the bottom of your eye. So like right here. And what it does is make your eyes pop.
It gives the illusion that you're like awake and well rested.
When you're really dying inside.
Wow, that's really extreme difference between being well rested and dying inside.
That's how you feel when you're tired.
Yeah, you do look more awake.
Right? It's just like, it basically makes you look like poppy eye.
Yeah, that's a really, really good tip. And you can use your blush for that too if it's like a metallic.
They recommend using like a metallic-y pink blush.
Cool. I'm guilty of dropping my makeup on multiple occasions.
All the time.
And sometimes it'll break and I'll be like, ugh, and then I'll throw it away. Don't throw away your products. There's one way or another to salvage them. If you happen to drop like your highlighter, for example, like in this case, you could just blend your own highlighter. So what you can do is take the powder form of it and you can use it, literally you can use your fingers, you can use it with a moisturizer, and you can like pat it to like all of the, where the sun would hit your face, and that will immediately give you this glow. So
like an illuminating glow.
Yeah.
So it's more like a wet highlighter, like a glowy dewy one versus like the powdered ones.
Exactly. Turn your powder into a liquid and save money.
There you go.
If you ever feel like it's impossible to find the perfect foundation shade, it's because it is. one single color is probably not going to do it for you. There are certain parts of your face that are actually different colors than the rest. So the best way to do it is to, if you're in between two shades, is to get two shades of foundation, and blend it together to get the perfect shade. If you feel like you're on a budget and you're like, whoa, I don't want to spend so much money on two different ones, there's so many really great drugstore brands that are amazing foundations, and they're like $7-8 each. So then at that point you can buy two of them to get the perfect shade as opposed to buying one super expensive one.
Yeah. Here's a tip to make your eyelashes like pop and make them look like you have falsies on, because we don't like applying false lashes. It's just like, it's too much work. If it's hot, it's like melting. It's annoying.
Eyes are heavy. It makes you sleepier.
It's just like not a good look. What you do is apply your first coat of mascara and then sprinkle some arrowroot powder. You could do baby powder, you could do, just make sure there's no talc products in there basically. Yeah. But I like using arrowroot powder because it's natural. Just sprinkle a bit onto your lashes when they're, after your first coat. So like once you apply your first coat, it's wet, sprinkle the little powder and then apply it one more time. So it gives that lift and it gives that illusion that you have falsies.
You can even sprinkle a little bit to like those eyebrow brushes and brush it that way too. It's super easy to do and it gives you a really
dramatic
look.
Yeah. Let's be real. Do normal people have like a million lip liners?
No.
No. Like, let's be real. I have 2 lip liners. One in the red family, one in the nude family.
I think I may have 2 nudes and 1 red.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Like, I thought I lost one and I bought another.
I'll do like a berry lip or like a plum look, and I'm like, I have no lip liner for this. Like, what am I going to do?
Exactly. And what you do is you run the risk of your lipstick bleeding out and looking really nasty. That is the worst look ever. So here's a tip for you guys. It's a makeup tip. What you do do is when you have your clear brow pencil,
Yeah.
the wax clear brow pencil, use that, it's clear,
Yeah.
to line your lips and then apply your lipstick.
And it
it's
keeps it
clear, so then it keeps it from bleeding out.
Genius.
Genius. Mic drop.
If you want to get a dewy contoured look and you don't want to go out and buy a creamy contour, let's say you only have powders and you're like, oh, I don't want to spend the money on one. If you have a brown lipstick anywhere in your house, in your makeup bag, you can use brown lipstick to contour. It's so easy. You literally use it as if it's a contour stick and you
Yeah, you
blend.
basically like apply, they say to like apply very little around
Yeah.
here and a little around your nose.
Don't go overboard because your brown lipstick is probably on the darker side, and make sure that you blend it really, really well, and that'll prevent you from having to go out and buy a cream contour. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed these 7 makeup tips. We literally scouted the entire internet and we were like, what are the best tips that makeup artists have? And we put them all together for you. If you have an amazing tip that we didn't mention, leave it in the comments below so we can all share and do it and look amazing. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.